Hey, it's Sophie from MRE and welcome to another one of our Real Tips videos. Today I'm going to show you through a few tips and tricks that you can try if you're having issues with your dishwasher. If you're finding that your dishes are still a little bit dirty after running a cycle, the first thing you need to do is check that there's no buildup of food in your dishwasher filter. Leftover food on dishes can accumulate in the filter and reduce efficiency over time. To clean it, just twist and pop it out, then wash in warm soapy water. Scraping off food scraps before washing can help prevent buildup in the filter. Running a cleaning cycle on your dishwasher every once in a while will help the efficiency of your dishwasher. Look for a dishwasher cleaner just like this one and follow the instructions on the back of the package. If your dishwasher is not turning on, please ensure to check that it is switched on at the power point. Power points are usually located at the back of nearby cupboards in most apartments. Make sure it is switched on, then wait a few seconds before trying to turn the dishwasher on. Hopefully this resolves any issues you are having with your dishwasher. If you are having any further issues, please contact your PM through the maintenance portal on our website. Thanks for watching.